Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. I'm Paul, and today we have some piglets coming to the barn. So first thing we got to do is go get food and get the pens ready, and I got to figure out how I can attach a heat lamp for them, because they got to be under heat for at least a couple more weeks. But yeah, so we're finally getting our pigs, and it's pretty exciting. Now, last night I spent probably 6 hours online bidding on pigs, and right now the piglets, or the show pigs, are going through the roof. One I was bidding on at the end of I quit at a certain price, but it eventually went for $20,000. Now that's way out of our range. I would never pay that for a piglet. But yeah, so the pigs are going high this year. I know some of the breeders I know have been having problems with their small litters, or just not making it. So the pig count is down. So that's gonna make everything super expensive this year. So we're gonna deal with that. And then plus feed prices have almost doubled per bag. So figure it's like we were paying $20 last year per bag of Linder feed, and this year it's gonna be $30, $35. So we got that to go. Now my middle daughter is gonna do pigs this year. She told me that last night. So now I got to get at least 3 piglets for showing. So we're gonna end up having around 5 pigs, and I'm not even near ready at the barn. So we got a lot of things we got to get into today, and take you guys along with us, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, we finally made it up to the pig barn, and I got to get this pen right here ready. First I got to see if I can get that wall cleaned up. So we'll go ahead and get the wall cleaned up, get shavings in there, try to find a waterer, get that put in there, and a feeder. So I'll get you guys up on a tripod and we'll get going. Buddy?
Hi, buddy.
shouldn't go anywhere. So that'll hold that heat lamp just like that. That one over there is the same way. Good looking pig. So hopefully we won't have to use these very long.
Do you rinse that out?
Sure, you have water in it.
Come on. Stop sniffing each other's butts. Ew.
All right, it's the next day up here. I didn't get a chance to film last night, but they ended up bringing in 4 pigs. The blue, the grayish looking one is ours, and the rest are my buddies. But we got them all pinned up together like this so they can keep their body heat with each other, help them through the night. And then we also have the heat lamps. Hopefully we only have to keep those heat lamps on for maybe another week or 2. It really depends on the weather here. When we get out of March, we should be okay. But normally, we usually don't get pigs up here until the end of March. So these are a little bit earlier pigs. But like I said, we're going to have to watch their weight so they're not so big at the end of in August for our fair. We don't want them to be overweight. So, but those are the pigs. And today I'm bidding on some more. Hopefully I can get maybe 1 or 2 more, and then I can have the pigs I need, and then I got to get some carcass pigs. So, but other than that, yeah, these are the pigs, guys, and I'll take you along with the process of getting these ready for the fair. So I hope you guys enjoy.
What is in its mouth, Dad?